Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And today we are going to work on our first lecture, and this lecture is relating to the artificial intelligence. Although the proficiency level that is required in artificial intelligence is P2, but मैं फिर भी कोशिश करूंगा कि मैं जितना बेहतर इसको explain कर सकूं, so that आपको अगर examination point of view से बहुत ज़्यादा फायदा ना भी हो, तो at least information point of view से आपको इसका अच्छा खासा फायदा जरूर होगा. So artificial intelligence क्या है? We are going to work on the definition and then I will be going step by step, and I'm very optimistic that things will be very clear. So artificial intelligence क्या है? Artificial intelligence, AI, it is known as AI. AI is a field. AI is a field of sciences, or of the science, one thing the same thing. Field of science that involves the creation of machines. Those can learn, those can make the reasons, and can act to maximum extent maximum level as a human act. So what is AI? AI is that specific field of science, that specific field. AI, artificial intelligence, is that specific field in which the machines are upgraded, the machines are actually designed, or machines are actually created so that they could learn and make the reasons and can act on the maximum level as human can act. So it is what known as the artificial intelligence. So now, if we talk about the artificial intelligence, we must be known to one fact. And that fact is, वो fact ये है कि in artificial intelligence system, जो AI systems कहलाते हैं, the AI systems can perform, तो आपको याद रखिएगा, it can perform the tasks those would be normally required, or those normally require would be a good word, those normally require the human intelligence level. And if you talk about human intelligence level, and this may involve now, like for an example, number one, it is decision making. Number two, it is problem solving. And number three, we may work on creativity. Number four, understanding. It may involve empathy. Empathy means creating an emotional attachment, creating an emotional state where one can recognize that what the other person wants. So what is artificial intelligence? What I've told you. Artificial intelligence, in definition, is that specific field that involves the creation of machines, and these machines are the machines which can learn, which can make some reasons, to बना सकते हैं logics को खुद से, and then they can act to a maximum extent at the human act. What is the human acts? Decision making. What are the human acts? Problem solving. What are the human acts? Creativity means extension of the thoughts. It is understanding building in a specific condition or a situation. And then the empathy. Empathy means understanding the mind of the person who is working behind. For an example, so practical example में से देख लेते हैं. If you see your Facebook browser, वो साइट जो आप ज्यादा देखते हैं, आपकी फेसबुक वॉल को आप सर्च कर रहे हो, तो उन्हीं के एड्स आपको ज्यादा नजर आना शुरू हो. अगर आप यूट्यूब पे जाएं, आप जिन वीडियोस को ज्यादा देखते हैं। नेक्स्ट टाइम जैसे ही अपने सेम अकाउंट से आप लॉग इन करते हैं यूट्यूब को, तो यूट्यूब को जब आप देखेंगे तो आपके लास्ट सीन वीडियोस से रिलेटेड ज्यादा वीडियोस आपको नजर आना शुरू हो जाएंगे। व्हाट इज दैट? इट इज द आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस ऑफ दैट स्पेसिफिक सर्च इंजन दैट हैज बीन बिल्ट इनटू इट, जिसकी वजह से वो अंडरस्टैंड करता है कि इस गूगल अकाउंट से आने वाला बंदा किन चीजों को ज्यादा दिखता है, और उसके इंटरेस्ट की चीजों को उसके सामने डिस्प्ले कर देता है वो स्पेसिफिक सर्च इंजन। सो इट इज व्हाट नोन एज द आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। सो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस is that specific field of a study, or that specific field that is that they designed in a way to work like the human work. And remember, this specific field, this specific field is not technical. It is not technical. Rather, it is good to say that. It is good to say that it is a non technical, it is a non-technical course if somebody does it. So it does not involve any technicality. So it is a sort of non-technical course if somebody can do it. And believe me, the artificial intelligence works smarter, works for, it works smarter, works for, it works very smarter for individuals. It works very smarter individuals. It works very smarter for the businesses. Better I should use the word organizations. It works better for the field of auditing. It works better in the field of financial management. Financial management. It works best in the field of forecasting. It works best in the field of marketing. It works best in the field of the advertisement. It works best in the field of planning. And nowadays, even it works best for guessing the upcoming state. Upcoming state. For an example, if we talk about weather, if we talk about the weather, if we talk about the floods, if we talk about the environment, कभी सोचें आता है next 5 days forecast, what is that? How the human come to know that what is the next 5 days forecast? So अब तो एक साल का forecast आ रहा है, what is that? That is a feed, or there is a work that has been designed and modified by the artificial intelligence by the people who are working on it. So it is what known as the artificial intelligence. So get a quick recap. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a specific field of science that involves creation of machines that can learn, make the reasons, and can act on the maximum level as a human act. याद रखिएगा, the AI systems perform many tasks what human perform. For example, decision making, for example, problem solving, for example, the creativity, understanding, empathy. It's a non-technical field. It's a non-technical course if somebody goes for it. And it works very smarter. This field works very smarter in for individuals, for business, for the organizations, in the field of audit, financial management, forecasting, marketing, advertisement, planning. And even nowadays, it is also very smartly working for guessing the upcoming state, for example, weather, flood, environment. These all things are being done by artificial intelligence, and artificial intelligence is not stopping here. If I talk about the web services are not equipped with this one, artificial intelligence. For an example, site search, the site search histories, maintaining the client's choice data, these all the web services, websites scroll up, websites scroll, and then optimization of the search engine, SEOs, search engine optimization. These all things have been done by the artificial intelligence. Move ahead and get another example. Move ahead and get another example. The automated cars or the automated vehicles. Best if they use the word automated vehicles. So now they are working driverless. Why they're working, how they're working driverless? Because something is working like the human there into. What is that? That is the artificial intelligence. Now the cars can drive. Now the cars can guide. The cars can learn. The car can switch in or switch out. Can switch in or switch out in a specific position. If you see, the cars can adjust their headlights. They have the cameras now. They can adjust light. They can adjust brightness. They can adjust the space. They can really park in, park out. These all things have been done in the car. For example, if we talk about Tesla, if we talk about the Volvo's cars. So now these all intelligent cars are working on the artificial intelligence. So nowadays, artificial intelligence has now got the edge of learning something or out giving the output like what the humans give. एक बात याद रखिएगा. Nowadays, I see that if you write a content in your mobile and if you put that content into the content improver on the website, so वो आप content improver में सॉफ्टवेयर में डाल दें, वो आपसे खुद पूछता है कि आपको जो content improve करना है वो excitement वे में करना है, प्रोफेशनल वे में करना है, आपको उसको चार्मिंग वे में करना है, या आपको उसको एक्सटेंडेड प्रोफेशनल पैटर्न पे करना है. आप प्रेस करें, आप ही के कंटेंट को ऐसा बदला के दे देता है आपको कि आपको समझ भी नहीं आती. यू कैन थिंक ऑफ इट, यू कैन इमेजिन कि यार ये मैं भी कर सकता था. So it is what all the work has been done by the artificial intelligence. So it is work the AI, and now how the AI works. How AI works. AI artificial intelligence काम कैसे करती है? So now, number one, याद रखिएगा, artificial intelligence systems use करते हैं machines को. They use the machines. They use the machine learning and even the deep learning, which is known as thought process, deep learning, to the process, deep learning to process huge amount or the bigger amount, mega amount of data, the bigger amount of data. The artificial intelligence systems use machine learning and even the deep learning to process the huge amount of data. Remember, दूसरी बात को याद रखिएगा, ये जो AI systems है ना, AI systems can recognize, it can recognize how it works. It is what the agenda now. So now if we talk about the artificial intelligence, and now if we talk about the recognition, if we talk about the recognition now, so AI systems really recognize the patterns and the trends in the data. So now what I told you, if you go for a search on the Google, the next time the site will be giving you all what the similar type of data that you opened last time. If you go for the YouTube, वहां पे भी अगर आप जाके देखेंगे जो लास्ट टाइम खोला हुआ था वही आपके लिए इस दफा चॉइस पे आ जाएगा. आप फेसबुक पे जाके जिस चीज को ज्यादा सर्च करेंगे वही चीज आपके सामने दोबारा फिर आ जाएगी, और इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू हैव द थिंग ऑफ योर चॉइस. कभी कभी हम कहते हैं मैं तो ये बार बार क्यों आ जाता है, जो डाटा बार बार आपके सामने आ जाता है ना, इट इज बिकॉज दैट वी हैव सर्च दैट. हमने एक बार सर्च किया और फिर एआई ने बार बार वही डाटा मेरे सामने लाया. So now number 3, how it works. All systems can learn. AI systems The AI systems can learn from their experiences and they continuously improve their performance. So it is what known as continuously and it is what and improve their performance. तो आपके जो AI systems है वो continuously लगातार monitor कर रहे होते हैं अपनी performance को and wherever they make a mistake they try to improve it for the next time. वो improve करते हैं उसको and they learn from their experiences. If their experience is good for one user, they keep on doing the same thing. Otherwise, अगर the user उनकी search को हटा के किसी और तरफ चला जाता and research करता, then they find out that it is because of the change in the choice of the customer or the client, or it is because of the wrong assessment of the artificial intelligence system. अगर artificial intelligence system को ये लग रहा हो कि ये उसकी गलती है, it keep on learning more. These systems keep on understanding the mind of the human and then the choice of the human. They keep on analyzing and understanding, and then they convert their experience into their exposure. And then for अपने exposure को अपने client के experience के अंदर convert कर देते हैं अपनी performance को improve करने के लिए. So some examples मैं पहले ऊपर दे चुका, and we talk about how it works and added examples into it. Added examples to get more clarity about the artificial intelligence system. Number one, आपको देखो कभी आपको voice assistance चाहिए हो, हम अपने मोबाइल को voice assistance हमारे मोबाइल में बोलते हैं वो टाइप कर देता. हम बोलते हैं कॉल ब्रिक्सी कॉल कर देता, हम कॉल से ज़ीशान वो कॉल कर देता. So what is that? It is artificial intelligence. आगे चलें जी. उसके बाद customer very popular services nowadays. आपकी खासी इज्जत घूम रही होगी. So I'm now working close to the mobile phone. So voice assistance. आगे चलें. It's a customer service. It's a customer service chatbots. Now, अब देखें ये जो chatbots है ना, ये आपकी AI टेक्नोलॉजी है जो हेल्प करती है अपने यूजर्स को वेबसाइट की सर्च करने में और वेबसाइट्स के अंदर नेविगेट करने में. सो व्हाट दे नेविगेट, इट गोज इनटू द मेमोरी ऑफ द AI सिस्टम and the next time that specific memory helps the person and it runs along with it to make things easy for that person. So it is what known as customer service chatbots. And then self-driving cars, पहले examples कर चुका मैं. आगे चले, pretty perfect example. It is just playing games. Just playing games. कि अपने users को देख के how he plays, it creates this intelligence. And then it plays with the users according to the intelligence. Because user जैसे खेल रहा होता है ऐसा smartly वो खुद को डिजाइन कर लेता है AI system. So it is what all about how it works and some of the examples about the AI. अब जब हम बात करते हैं कुछ examples पे आगे चलते हैं तो there are many benefits. बहुत से benefits. These benefits of AI, benefits of artificial intelligence are very important to be understood. सबसे बड़ा benefit, there are some benefits and there are some drawbacks as well. So now, सबसे बड़ा जो benefit है ना जी, that can be AI, artificial intelligence can really help the organizations or the businesses to make efficient and profitable decisions. What do you mean by the efficient? पहले सोचते थे, रिकॉर्ड निकालते हैं. So now what we are doing be recorded by the memory of the system. तो हम जब काम करने शुरू करते हैं हमारे सामने लिखा हुआ है. For an example, if you write an email, अगर आप कभी email लिख रहे हो, हम जैसे ही लिखते हैं जनवरी, वो सामने लिखा हुआ आता है तो जनवरी आज की डेट और आगे लिखा हुआ आता है कामा 2024. So we just simply press the tab button and it goes up. What is that? It is artificial intelligence. हमारे emails जब आती हैं उनका automated reply हम भेज देते हैं. What is that? हमने जो कुछ नहीं किया खुद ही reply चला गया. So मेरी attendance लगी. What is that? That is artificial intelligence. So these all are the benefits to the business and it is all the benefits of. For example, एक client ने आपको email किया, आपने 2 दिन जवाब नहीं दिया. How bad it looks. So अगर आप उसको automated reply पे लगा देते हैं तो every customer will get the reply for thank you for giving us the email. we normally respond in 1 or 2 days. For your person, we are going to respond in next 5 hours. So what's happening? आपकी email देखने करने में 5 घंटे आपको मिल गए. Customer is satisfied. Somebody is working on it. ये सारे क्या है? सब benefits हैं artificial intelligence के. आगे चलिए देखिए. So now AI से the business can personalize the experiences of their customers. क्या मतलब? अब आपकी 4 प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, आपने 4 प्रोडक्ट से 4 ईमेल्स दे दिए हैं. अब उन चारों ईमेल्स पे जब पर्सन कांटेक्ट करता है, चारों को डिफरेंट रिप्लाई जाता है. आप व्हाट्सएप बिजनेस पे आ जाए, आप जैसे ही मैसेज करते हैं, ऑटोमेटेड रिप्लाई चला जाता है, अवे रिप्लाई चला जाता है, वोकेशन रिप्लाई चला जाता है, कैजुअल रिप्लाई चला जाता है, ग्रीटिंग रिप्लाई चला जाता है, ब्राउजर्स मूव कर जाते हैं. व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. याद रखें, हमारा वो कस्टमर जो आपको स्पेसिफाइड एग्जांपल सीए की फील्ड से बहुत रेलेवेंट है. मैंने बिग फोर के क्लाइंट्स को देखना, सो आई कैन मेक एन एडवर्टाइजमेंट दैट विल बी फोकसिंग ओनली द पीपल हु वर्क ऑन बिग फोर. आपने जिंदगी में एक बार भी किसी ब्राउजर पे बिग फोर फर्म को सर्च किया तो मेरा ऐड आप तक पहुंच जाएगा. व्हाट इज दैट? इट इज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. जब फेसबुक ऐड पे जाना, वहां लिखा होता है क्रिएटिव एड्स, where you want to promote creative ads, or the people who are in habit to join the pages like this, who have like the pages like this, or visit the page like this. So आप जिस पेज पे गए होंगे, वो सारे एडवर्टाइजर जो उस पेज के यूजर्स को टारगेट करेंगे, उनका ऐड आप तक पहुंच जाएगा. व्हाट इज दैट? इवन कैन नॉट थिंक ऑफ इट दैट मिस्टर ए ने या निदा ने या गजल ने या रिमशा ने किस पेज को देखा. दे आर नॉट नोन टू इट. मगर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस उनको इस काबिल कर रही है कि वो आपके डोर स्टेप तक पहुंच रहा है, वो हमारे बेडरूम तक इंफॉर्मेशन लेके आ गया. व्हाट इज दैट? इट इज द आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस सिस्टम. एंड देन इट इज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस कैन रियली ऑटोमेट द बिजनेस. कभी ऑनलाइन ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग पे देखिए, खवातीनो हजरात बड़े शौक से ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करते हैं. ये जो ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करते हैं ना खवातीनो हजरात, ये जिन साइट्स पे जा रहे होते हैं, बंदा तो कोई नहीं बैठा होता, वो जो लिखते हैं उनको रिप्लाई भी आ जाता है, वो जो ऑर्डर बुक करते हैं बुक भी हो जाता है, प्रोसेस भी हो जाता है, पैसे भी ले लेते हैं, पर जवाब भी आ जाता है ये कब ऑर्डर आपको मिलेगा. व्हाट इज दैट? The whole site has been converted. The whole site is converted on the artificial intelligence. It is such a marvelous and spectacular field how this have become today. So artificial intelligence, it is what I have told you. So I'm going to work on a quick recap so that you people could understand, and then I will be proceeding further. So the artificial intelligence, and it is how it works. I have, I'm going to repeat it. Artificial intelligence, how it works. It works that through the machine learning and even the deep learning for processing the huge data. And it can recognize the patterns and the trends in the data. And even they can make their experiences, they can learn from their experiences, and they're continuously trying to improve their performance. Examples are the voice assistants and the chatbots, and then the chess games. The common benefits of the artificial intelligence to the businesses are number one. They are number one, they can really help the organization and business to become more profitable and efficient. Artificial intelligence can really personalize the experience of its customers, and they can really automate the business as well. So these all are the benefits. But certain drawbacks are there. याद रखिए, किसी भी फील्ड के अंदर जब हम काम करते हैं, तो किसी भी फील्ड के अंदर जब हम काम कर रहे होते हैं ना, तो उस काम को करने में अगर some goods हैं तो कुछ बैड्स भी होते हैं. सो जो कुछ बैड्स है ना, हम बैड्स ऑफ एआई, हम उन पे बात करते हैं. बैड्स ऑफ एआई, बैड्स ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस पूरा लिखा, द बैड्स ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. एक बात मैं आपको बताऊं, आई हैव नॉट मेड द स्लाइड्स दैट अदर पीपल आर मेकिंग, बिकॉज स्लाइड मेकिंग से क्या होगा? Slide making से students cannot interactively look into it and they feel bored about it. So I'm trying to give a more live experience in the recorded lectures. I tried my level best that people should come on the online lectures, but unfortunately I keep on waiting, nobody comes. So शायद आदत होगी है लोगों के पास, या तो टाइम नहीं है और या फिर उनको आदत होगी रिकॉर्डेड फॉर्मेट की. So but anyways this will be very helpful. So parts of AI, number one, पहला बैड क्या? The first bad is the threats of job. The threats of joblessness. Joblessness. what is threat of joblessness? The सारे काम आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस खुद कर लेगा। तो बहुत सी ऐसी जॉब्स हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कंटेंट डिजाइनर्स, the media designers, the website developers, the website personalizers, the social media experts. The whole jobs are now would be in threat there. And then number two is the second one. The second big problem is the cost. The one who has to turn on the artificial intelligence obviously has to design the system, and then to make the machine learn, they have to hire the experts to work on it. So the second problem can be the cost problem. The cost. And the third problem would be is the declining profitability. Declining profitability. Because when many firms will turn into artificial intelligence, a lot of offering would be available for a client. If he searches for one thing, 10 options will be open in front of it. If we talk about the website sales. So many things can be in front of the customer now. So if you would be the choice, so many other competitors will be displayed by the AI in front of the person who is searching your business. And many similar businesses would be open on the people would be looking into that. So ये सारी बातें जो है ये एक threat हैं, and these all account for the bads of the AI as well. So bads of artificial intelligence would include these things. I'm not saying that everything contains the bad, but I'm saying that when there are some goods are there, certainly some bads are there as well. And in the whole bunch of goods and bads, we should look into some bads. There's a potential bad जो है ना, ये सबसे बड़ा bad जिसे कहेंगे. That bad is the threat of the joblessness, because when the artificial intelligence performing all the work that a person has to do, a person can do. So in that specific case, artificial intelligence can be very big threat for the job of the people who are linked up with this field. Okay, so now it can even building laziness. Building laziness. अब एक ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस भी हो सकता है ना, and that can be that हमें कोई भी सर्च करेगा तो हम आ जाएंगे, ऐसा नहीं होगा. If we talk about the CEO search engine optimization, अगर आपने नहीं कराई, आपने नहीं की हुई है ना, तो what will happen? आपको नाम को सर्च करेंगे, आपका नाम तो नहीं आएगा, बाकी सबके नाम आ जाएंगे जो SEOs पे काम कर रहे हैं. So certainly ये लेजीनेस बिल्ड कर देता है बिजनेस मैनेजर्स के पार्ट पे. एंड जब आपकी जो है ना वो लेजीनेस आती है तो आप अटेंटिव नहीं होते, आप इतने ज्यादा. When you say that the site contains the whole information that customer wants, हो सकता है customer ने कुछ बात भी करनी हो आपसे. So we should always open the live chat option for the customer as well. If we are not working on the live chat option, what will happen? If customer could not get what he wants us to inform him from the site, so what will happen then? क्या होगा? Customer हमारा lose हो सकता है. So this can be another bad. So some good and bads are always together. बहरहाल कुछ bads को out of the question नहीं किया जा सकता. Types of artificial intelligence. Types of artificial intelligence. So now, when you talk about the types of artificial intelligence, I'm talking about the basic types. I'm not talking about the advanced discussions that are being done on the internet and then and the superstitious type of things that are being taught by the overall thinkers or the experts. But the basic types which are in existence and are in practice, or rather are will be in practice very soon, include number one. The first type is known as ANI. I'm sorry. It is ANI. It is ANI. The second type is known as AGI. And the third type is known as ASI. So there are three basic types of the artificial intelligence. The ANI stands for, this stands for artificial narrow intelligence. It is artificial in narrow intelligence. And this artificial narrow intelligence is in practice. It is in practice across the globe. It is in practice. It is in practice across the globe. The only one type, that is existing and that is prevailing in the whole globe around across the world, and that is known as ANI, artificial narrow intelligence. And some examples of artificial narrow intelligence applications of all types being run on the internet or being run on the PCs and the mobile phones or belong to this ANI, artificial narrow intelligence. And number one. नंबर टू, जितने भी गैजेट्स हैं आपके, जितने भी आपके गैजेट्स हैं जो आप यूज कर रहे हैं ओपनली, जिनको आप यूज कर रहे होते हैं, या जितने भी आप गैजेट्स के साथ एक अच्छा वर्ड ये होगा, आप जितने भी ये कह सकते हैं कि आप टेक्नोलॉजी सपोर्ट्स यूज कर रहे हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी सपोर्ट, and whether it is on your tablets, it is on your mobile phones or the PCs, and these all things are now these all things are being run and supported by the artificial intelligence. And then we talk about the gadgets as well. That is not bad, and we can use the word gadgets. सारे के सारे artificial intelligence के अंदर हमारे बने हुए. And if we talk about the next one, and there is one example is जितने भी softwares हैं, चाहे वो ऑडिट के सॉफ्टवेयर हो, टैक्स के हो, या चाहे वो ब्रॉडकास्टिंग के सॉफ्टवेयर, सारे के सारे, इवन इफ टॉक अबाउट मैनी फंक्शंस ऑफ योर एक्सेल, एमएस एक्सेल की भी जो फंक्शंस है वो सारे के सारे, इन मेजॉरिटी ऑफ देम they are based upon and mounted upon the concept of artificial intelligence. That is what known as artificial narrow intelligence. Artificial narrow intelligence. And then the word is targeting upon AGI in the coming field. अब 10 साल लगते हैं 100 या 1000, ये बात की बात है. But the target of the word is to go for the AGI. So ANI is artificial narrow intelligence, and a lot of work has been done and things are in practice. AGI is known as artificial general. It is artificial general intelligence. Artificial general intelligence. So now, artificial general intelligence क्या है? All should be done by artificial intelligence. What human can. All जो एक इंसान कर सकता है, that should be done by the artificial intelligence. It is the primary goal of this specific AGI. Goal is that AI would do all what human can do. But yet it is not practically possible. And yet it has not been proved practically possible. Rather, अच्छा word ये होगा. But the whole world is just running behind it. They're trying to work on it. So it is the artificial general intelligence. And the last one is ASI. It is known as the artificial superintelligence. It is artificial superintelligence. Artificial superintelligence. And what is artificial superintelligence? The goal is that AI would do all what human can do, but even better than a human. Even better than a human. आज ऐसा नहीं है. आज अब अगर आप किसी डिजाइनिंग सॉफ्टवेयर के अंदर जाए ना, तो आप इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग करें, आप लोकेशन बताएं, इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग सॉफ्टवेयर से कहें कि आपने ये बनाना है, it can give you some of the samples, but if a human will make according to the site and the space, शायद उसका आर्किटेक्चर ज्यादा बेहतर हो, आर्किटेक्चर उनका बेहतर हो शायद आपके सॉफ्टवेयर से. मगर द आर्टिफिशियल सुपर इंटेलिजेंस इज टारगेटिंग दैट. वो जो AI design करे interior, for example, एक मिसाल दे रहा हूँ, that should be far ahead than the human can think. So it is what the artificial super intelligence. This will be the next stage. We talk about the ANI, it is existing, AGI is being worked on, and ASI is the next stage on which the world will work, and that will be the third type of the artificial intelligence, and that will be the world is will be working upon that after a certain period of time. So now these are the three types of the artificial intelligence that I've written in front of you. I'm going for a quick recap. So it is ANI, artificial narrow intelligence. For it is in practice across the globe. For example, the applications and the technology supports, the gadget support, and the softwares of all types are working under the ANI, and AGI is the next step. Work is working on, and it can be within 10 years, 100 years, and 1,000 years even. And then what it is, the goal of AGI is that AI could do all what a human can do. One step ahead to it is ASI, is artificial superintelligence. And the goal of it that a human could do, now the AI could do all what a human can do, not even do, rather the AI should be able to do something better than the human. So it will be the end of this lecture. So in the next lecture that I'm going to work on, and I'll be sending within 1 day time. So after 1 day, I will be sending that lecture as well. So that will be working upon what is involved in the artificial intelligence. And then we're talking about the design, machine designing. And then I will be working upon the designing machines, and I'm working upon the machine learning. I will be working upon the deep learning. And then I will be working upon the machine learning types. For an example, it can be the first type can be the supervised AI, and the second one can be the unsupervised machine learning, and third one can be the reinforcement sort of learning. So I will be working upon the machine learning, deep learning, and then the types of machine learning as well. So but I will keep on moving this topic for 3-4 classes, and it's a bunch of around 3 to 4 hours. So you people should be known to the basics of AI and then the how AI works. So बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा अपना, इंशाल्लाह ताला, और नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मुलाकात होगी। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू।